time today to do a DT share for Tracie Fox. And here's Tracie's Fox information here. And she is on Etsy. And she is a digital artist. I'm sure everybody knows Tracie by now. I've been so honored to be on her DT for I think over 3 years now. So thank you so much, Tracie, for allowing me to be on your team for this long. I love it. We have a great team. If you want to follow the rest of the DT, please follow all their links below. And we'll get to it. So I made a little journal and a bigger journal that's under here. And these are the kits that I use. And the mix match, the compendium MK2, and then the other one MK2. Anyways, so yes, and if you follow all Tracie's links are down below too. Anyways, so we'll start with a little tiny one. So this is a little tiny journal. I'm calling it Platinum Ice. It's a little small one. I really don't name my journals, but this is part of a winter series. So this one is called Platinum Ice. It's this little tiny itty bitty thing. And I just have a ton of texture and layers and textile, and it's just really neat. Love it. It has a little sparkle to it. And we'll just go through it really fast. I just have two little things in here of Tracie's because this was just so small, and I kind of kept it a little bit monochromatic and wintry, kind of cold, crisp kind of feel. And so I just put a couple of things in here of hers just to throw a little bit of color in there. So I will show you which ones are hers. So here's the front page. And this is just little abstract painting that I kind of did right here. And I always have my rusty bits in there, of course. And I have some, this is an A, and it has ART through this, so this is art. With a lot of textile in here, and this is little Tracie's right here. And it just flips out. So I thought it was just a little fun to add a little bit of color. This is just a little fun little, these kind of got stuck together here. I did a lot of painting in there. There you go. Oops. And then here we go. And then these I just did as a circle, and so it's a flip out, but I used them as a clip, like a paper clip. So all I did was I just made it into a circle. I'll put that on later. Made it into a circle, and so it holds that shut. Just a couple other pages back here. So I've got a little bit. I went through all these, you guys, made sure they weren't stuck. A little bit. That's funny. Anyway, a little circle here, a little hoop. A little piece here, a little fabric, a little safety pin. There's the R. And there's the other one. That's Tracie's kit. Still a little plastic tag. Wrenched it up. The other one is paper clip. Back here. There's the T. It spells art, like I said, through the book. Like I said, this is mostly textiles with just a few pages. So what I did include of Tracie's was just adding like a little bit of break the color up a little bit. And that's Tracie's little digital there. Her stuff always works with what I'm trying to create, so I love using her stuff in my work. And there's another little circle used as a paper clip. And coming to the end. And that is the end, you guys. So there's that one. And then this is just the tie that I used for the book. I just didn't tie it up yet because I just didn't. And then this is the pouch that I make that all my journals come in. I make a little pouch, and then I'll do something kind of decorative on top. So that'll be the decorative piece for this one. And here's the journal, you guys. And this one's called Rustic Winter. It has a lot of textile and fabric. I did some, on this series, I just wanted to do something different with my journals. So I did a series of 5, which, Trace probably thought I wasn't coming out with any kind of stuff lately. Just kidding. I got, had a cold on and off for the last couple of months as well. So I had to, didn't want to work on these while had a cold. But anyways, I'm much better now. But the series took me a while, you guys. I'm still putting on the final touches of the other 3. But yeah, so this is the cover. It's all like fabrics and textiles and sewing, and I've got metal in there, and here's the spine. This kind of just swings. Kind of put all these together by hand. This is a wing nut, and this this goes on like piping to tighten it on. I forgot what they're called. It's late in the evening, you guys, and just little beads and stuff. So anyways, we'll get into it. So here's the front cover, and then this is where you'll see Tracie's stuff in here. So this is Tracie's little tag, and I just kind of tape them together, put some encaustic on there, kind of rusted them up, them kind of rustic feel in there. And I'll just put that back really quick. Just go in there easy. And then this is Tracie's little tag in here. Her stuff is fun, like her ephemera stuff. I really love using it because it's so fun to use, and it just adds, you know, the perfect touch to all the rest of the journal. And this is just a little paper clip, and I just made these little tabs on here. And that's my collage right there to match the front cover. And then this is also Tracie's, so I do these kind of collage-y things on the first page inside the signatures. So I just flip this up. That's Tracie. This is Tracie. So that just goes well, you guys. I just love it. It just slips down. And this is like a cool little mixed media tag I made. And then we'll just kind of flip through it because I already know where Tracie's stuff is. And then this is like a little time card. I kind of flipped it around and made it like a tag, and then dangled some stuff on that. I got this little idea from Susie, if you all know Susie. And then here's the second signature cover, and again Tracie's digitals. It's Tracie digital there. So it's fun to use her digitals this way in collage work for me. That's how I usually use them, but I like using her stuff in all kinds of different ways, but it's been really fun using them in my art journals. And this one's like a little, I think these are like for electrical thing, I don't know. And then here's the third signature, the tab, and again Tracie's digital. Just fun little flips. Mine are naked journals, you guys, so that's why I spend a lot of time in my covers and my signature covers and this little collage bit. And you know, I do spend some time on the papers as well, more than I used to, as far as just painting them out or tea steaming them, because mine are naked journals, because I want you to do art in them. And mine are removable, so you can fill more paper up in them when you're done. So these are held in by elastic. So here's the elastic. You can take the signature out, and you can reuse this cover and this cover. And mine, all of my journals, 90% of them are like a hidden spine. Most of them are curved hidden spines. That's how I do that. I don't have the elastic coming out here. I came up with a concept of building it in between the spine, because that's just, I don't know, that's why I'm doing it right now, so we're just going to go with it. But anyways, thank you so much, Tracie. I really appreciate being a part of your team. You have an awesome design team. I couldn't be more proud and excited to be on the team. And I hope everybody's doing well and having a good start to your new year. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.